Hello guys, review HMD Fusion, this 8GB RAM memory and 256GB storage, open box and look completion device. In the completion, and we have protected back cover for device, documentary and Type-C cable. That's all, without adapter for charging. Okay. Double camera on the back side, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, buttons on this side, and headphones jack Type-C slot on the downside. Open settings, about phone. Okay, we have Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 CPU, open Geekbench 6 and look results. Look into the benchmark results. Okay. Start PUBG Mobile, look how this game works on the device. Game load. Medium graphic level. And game works good, without lags and glitches. Fine level. Okay, close this. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.